Now let's turn to the dinner plate. This dinner plate is about 10.5 inches. The same, it is shiny on the top and the matte finish on the bottom. Besides of that, there is wrinkles on the top. Yeah, on the top. It is special finish. You can also change the designs you like. While on the bottom, there is a back step. The back step is 3.2 centimeters. You can add your using instructions and your company logo. Yeah, company logo or slogans. The using instruction is like this. Not suitable for microwave use. Dishwasher safe on top rack. Yeah, so it is very easy to wash. You can use it in micro and you can use it in dishwasher. Yeah. And this one is our side plate with the same finish as the dinner plate. Yeah. And also it has there is a back stem on the bottom center. Yeah. And the size is about 9-inch side plate. Yeah.
If you are interested in our product, please contact us.